Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Taking the Fireteam out. I hooked up a cool little fan, which I'll show you guys afterwards. You can hear it. You can probably hear it right now. And I also put a 17 tooth. I thought I had an 18 tooth, but I could only find a 17 tooth. So I put that in there. So that's 15 is the speed pinion they give you. And I put a 17 tooth in there. So let's see what that'll do. I'm out here in my little, it's getting overgrown now. My jump's pretty much buried over there with grass. So oh yeah, it's got a lot more pickup just with those two teeth there, guys. That's definitely much better. Oh. Ah, okay, it's not too bad up here either. Look, from down there it looked like it was getting covered in grass and the weeds. I still have a little bit more time here. It's pretty high over there though. Yeah, that woke her up. Ooh. Testing that fan out, that's for sure, guys. See, yeah, it's a little yeah, I can't get enough speed over there on that side. You're a little too tall back there. Oh yeah, that's awesome. It's got the power to do the wheelies now. So it's definitely much more power in it now with that 17. And then with that fan on it that I got, that I made, ought to keep the motor cool. We'll have to pull it off once I want to run this down. Do a constant. Do a constant run with this battery. And see how hot the motor gets. So come out of the woods. Oh. Well, that was definitely a smack test for the fan. You can still hear it running. So that's a plus. I found some cool little covers too, like they're a little fine, so I'm hoping the air gets through there still, the screens, but if that does work, man, it's gonna be awesome, especially for the Mojave, because the Mojave just gets so much dirt inside. This one not so much, I just needed a stronger fan, that's all this is needed. There we go. She's a flyer. Still getting hard to do, so, you know, on the small jumps, the backflips, but you can get a bigger jump easy. Yeah, I like the wheelies it does now, for sure. You got that power if you want it. You still have fun without, you know, you can still get it going, but you still have that power to lift up that front end when you want. Yeah, I'll still have this out here for a little while. It's just gonna be, I have to bring the Mojave back out here. Be perfect for it. Nice. Mojave's not much of a flyer. It's more of a tracker like this right here. Ooh. Right here. Ooh. Do a slow-mo on that one. Yeah, this battery's done. This battery's one of those. It doesn't balance real well. I'm supposed to warranty it. I'm waiting for the new one to come in. Power Hobby. So plus it's been sitting for a while. There's the fan. The fan. Nice little cover for it. Oh yeah, it's still hot though. Yeah. But that was constant. So there you go, guys. There's a fan. It's blowing out tons of air. It's just, I was constant. It's covered. I might try to put 2 fans on there and see what happens, because it's I mean, it's enclosed with that cover on. I mean, it's not, I wish I brought my gun with me to see what it was, but yeah. So but there you go, the fire team, guys. Please like, subscribe, and y'all have a great day.